Hello everyone, welcome to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and intensive opportunities for freshers as well as experienced candidates. So in this video, we will be discussing about the off-campus jobs and intensive opportunities from Goldman Sachs, Pfizer, Cloud Software Group and Software AG. So this is the latest hiring, so all freshers must apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring is from Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs is hiring for Associate Software Engineer for Bangalore location. So talking about the eligibility and requirements, then you should be having undergraduate degree in computer science or related fields with the knowledge or experience in using AI platforms and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, as they are especially hiring for the software engineer for NLP role. So you must be having knowledge and skills related to AI and NLP. Second hiring is from Pfizer. Pfizer is hiring for the analyst role for Chennai location. So talking about the qualification and eligibility criteria, then recent graduates or a bachelor's degree in any of the engineering discipline or branches can apply for this opportunity. There is no minimum percentage criteria either in your class 10th or 12th or graduation. To apply for this opportunity, you should be having interest in learning the emerging technologies like mobile payments, cloud computing, information security, with a knowledge and understanding in SDLC and its development process. Third hiring is from Cloud Software Group. They are hiring for Associate Support Engineer for Pune location. So any graduate or postgraduate in any of the engineering discipline or branches can apply for this opportunity. There is no minimum percentage criteria, only you should be having experience in using programming languages like Java, C or C++ with debugging skills. You should be also familiar in using Linux and Windows operating system with the ability to debug the problems. If you are having knowledge related to technologies like business intelligence, analytics tools, knowledge in any web services, web development or app development, then it will be an advantage for this role. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Software AG. Software AG is hiring for intern for data analyst role at Bangalore location. So talking about the eligibility, so you should be having BE, BTech, BSc or master's degree in mathematics or statistics with 75% aggregate marks throughout your academic career. With 0 to 6 months of experience, it means freshers can apply for this opportunity. You should be having strong analytical skills with the ability to collect, organize and analyze the complex data for their accuracy. And you should be also having hands-on experience in using Excel and Power BI tools. So these were the 4 opportunities. According to your eligibility and criteria, you must apply for all this opportunity. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus jobs and intensive opportunities, then you must watch and apply for this opportunity. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.